Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Jazz side light bulb using an easy method. This simple DIY task can save you time and money. We will go through the steps without needing to remove the entire bumper or headlight assembly, making it a straightforward process. You will only need a few common tools and a new W5W or 501 bulb to get the job done efficiently. First, ensure your car is parked safely with the engine off and the handbrake engaged. To create enough space, turn your steering wheel fully towards the side where you are replacing the bulb. For example, if you are working on the passenger side, turn the wheel all the way to the left. Next, carefully pull back the plastic wheel arch liner. You might need to remove 1 or 2 clips to do this. Now, reach behind the headlight assembly to locate the side light bulb holder. It is usually a small, black plastic piece. Grasp the holder firmly, twist it about 1/4 turn counterclockwise, and then pull it straight out. Gently pull the old bulb directly out of its socket. Insert the new W5W bulb, ensuring you do not touch the glass with your fingers, as oils can shorten its lifespan. With the new bulb in place, reinsert the holder into the headlight assembly, twisting it 1/4 turn clockwise to secure it. Before fully reassembling, turn on your car's side lights to confirm the new bulb is working. Once confirmed, carefully push the wheel arch liner back into position and replace any clips you removed. You have successfully changed your Honda Jazz side light bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.